Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. We've been taking a brief break from drawing known cartoon characters to do a little creative stretching exercise where we pick two animals and draw what it might look like if you combined them. A little animal mashup. We're going to continue to ramp up the strangeness level, as today we're going to draw what it would look like if you combined an elephant with a pelican. All you need to follow along with me is pencil and paper. Easy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, so let's get started. In the Level Up Cartooning process, we don't start with the details. We start with simple shapes, and we start by drawing lightly. We break the drawing process into 3 steps. First, we draw the roadmap. Second, we rough out the features. And third, we draw in the final details. Not until that last step, where we draw the details, do we draw dark. And even then, we don't want to press too hard and mindlessly retrace over the lines we've already drawn. Always look to improve as you proceed. So while I draw, I want you to be thinking about how you might draw your elephant-pelican mashup differently, which is the whole point, using your creativity. That goes for the name, too. What would you call this creation? All right? So here's my version of an elephant-pelican mashup. There it is, my elephant pelican, which I'm going to call a peliphant. Wow, that actually sounds like a real animal. So I'd love to see your version of a peliphant, or whatever you might want to call it. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag LevelUpCartooning. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the Level Up Cartooning process. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.